Here we have the fried chicken curry. It's a hybrid that I made inspired by the buffalo wings or the chicken wings that where you soaked up the fried chicken onto its sauce. Oh yeah, this one came out really really good. So now let's go ahead and start. Here's the drumsticks that we chopped off in the thighs and all the carrots, the chicken curry, the garam masala. So now we prepare the chicken first. We put some garam masala. This is a must to get the chicken meat really tasty and good. So we're gonna put some garam masala to marinate this really good. Of course, we put some salt, a bit of salt, just to make it all taste good and all that. There, of course, salt we're gonna use now. And now we put this aside. We're gonna mix it with a bit of curry and flour, and now it's all ready. Now it's all mixed up. It's ready to be fried, right? Yep, this is gonna be so good. Let's start. And as many of you notice, I'll just use a small pan for frying. This way we don't waste too much oil. We heat it up. All right, now it's ready. We put three pieces at a time for about a good 2 to 3 minutes. Medium to high heat, not too high. This way you don't burn up the outside while the insides are not fully, cooked. All right, there you go. Now we let it sit for like around 2 minutes. You'll know when it's cooked when you notice the oil is not as bubbly as much. It's like right now it's like it's frothing. It's like full of it's foamy oil, right? When this gets to be lesser, that's when you know the chicken is almost getting cooked. Like here now it's slightly less, but it's still bubbly. But we gotta check it in a bit just to make sure it's not too burnt. But it's still bubbly, so we go on. Now here you can see, now it's lesser, you can actually see the chicken. Oh yeah, yeah, it's ready. It's all good. Now let me get the pan in the plate. We remove this so that it doesn't get overcooked. Oh, look at this. It's starting to look really good. It's like fried chicken. Actually, this, you can actually eat this as is, and it's going to be really good. But now we're making fried chicken curry. So we continue. Look at that. Oh, all right. Get another batch. Because this is 8 pieces, so it's 3 on 3. So the last one is going to be just two. So it's going to be really quick. Alright, now here, see, now we get to let the bubble up rest up. Now here, oh yeah, now it's all done. We set this aside, so now we start with the curry sauce, or we start cooking the curry all together with the onions, and of course the red black bell pepper, chili, and the red chili. We oil this up. We use the same oil that we use for frying. This way the flavors are there and good. Okay, we remove that speck right there. Okay, now we start with the onion. This is around two small pieces of onion sliced, or one medium-sized onion sliced up. We cook that first. All right. Now we start mixing it. Make sure everything is oiled up. This way, none of them gets burned or too burnt. They cook all at the same time. Yes. Lay it all flat on the pan. Now here, starting to cook, we'll put some salt. All right. Now we mix it again. Already getting ready. So the pan is like medium to high heat. We make a space in the middle for the garlic. All right. So this is crushed garlic, roughly around 2 or 3 cloves. There you go. A bit more. All right, there. Now we mix this up. Make sure everything is there. All right. Oh, it's starting to smell really, really good now. Now we put some more, about half a spoon of curry to flavor up the onions, and a bit of more oil because it's drying up. Oh, it's starting to smell really, really good now. Yes, mix that well. Uh-huh. Okay, now we're about to put like the next stuff. Here it is. A bit of garam masala to make it all tasty and good. Yes. And now we can drop in the carrots. So this is gonna toast up a bit, and so it'll cook fast, or it'll soften up real quick when you got the rest of the juices. Okay, that's good. Now about half a cup to 1 cup of coconut milk. Because here in my country, in the Philippines, tropical country, coconut is more abundant. But if you can get a hand on yogurt, that is the best. Plain yogurt is the best. Okay, now about 1 cup of coconut milk. Now we break in green chili so that it cooks faster. We break it apart. Yes, now two of them, so now it's 4 pieces. Yes, and then 3 red chili to make it for more heat. If you want even more heat, you can add more. But now it's like 3 medium-sized chili. Oh, this is gonna be so good. The last one. Okay. Now we mix it up. It's gonna be really good now. Here you go. Now we add 1 more spoon of curry powder. This way, the flavors are gonna be really good. All right. And also we added 1 cup of water. As you can see, the sauce went a little bit more. We let it boil with it. We let it cook so that the green chili gets cooked. Let's see if the green chili is soft. But of course, we put red bell pepper on the last minute. This way, the aroma is gonna be really good. Now here we check the green chili if it's soft enough. Oh yeah, it's getting cooked now. Okay, now it's ready. We mix this a bit. Yeah, starting to look good now. Yep. Okay, now next is we drop in the fried chicken. Oh yeah. Once all the chicken is there, get that there. Mix it up so that the juices get soaked into the chicken. Now we turn off the heat because this is all done. We just mix it well. We can toss this, but hey, I'm not that well skilled. I don't want to drop any chicken, so we just mix it tender and slowly. Yes, let me unclip the phone to show you guys. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, this is delicious. Yes, now we're ready to serve it up on a plate. Yep, this is gonna be awesome. And if of course you can also click on this one for another video. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This way we can keep track of all the stuff that we cooked. And hey, I'll see you guys around. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. All right.